Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you are viewing the How To Lady. So today I am so excited because we are going to show you how we do a DIY tissue box. You can make it cute and quaint and it can go into your bathroom, or you can make it sports-like. If you're interested, stay tuned. If you see anything you like, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell. And don't forget to leave a comment. So without further ado, we're going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park. Okay, my YouTube friends, as indicated in the introduction, we will take an ordinary shoe box and turn it into a tissue holder. We're going to show you how we do it. So I'm out here on my deck inside of my garage, and the first thing I'm going to do, I love spray painting on this deck because sometimes there's inclement weather and I can't go outside, and you want to be outside anytime you're using some type of spray because you want to make sure you have good ventilation. You don't want to inhale any of those fumes. We are going to remove the paper that came inside. Now that we've got the box empty, we're going to use a regular spray paint. It's nothing out of the ordinary about this black spray paint. It's flat. You can use a spray paint that has a sheen to it. It could be high gloss, it's totally up to you, but I think this works better because the high gloss to me tends to not dry as quickly, and nor does it adhere to the surface as well as I've seen the flat spray paint do. So we're going to just color it black, and we're going to show you how we'll store our bathroom tissue. Right here you'll see that the edges of the box are a little loose, and I want to just glue those down just so that I can secure it when I paint it. It won't be flipping up like that. And so all I do is take my glue gun and I just put a little glue right along the edge of this box. So right here, just along the edge, just to get it to stay. And then I flip it back over and I push it down, and that helps keep it in place. So when I spray paint it, that edge won't stick up. So I think that's going to be secure there. I think I like that. We don't want it too fancy because it's going to be just a simple piece in a bathroom just to hold tissue. All right, so hopefully we can get this spray painted and we can show you what the finished product looks like. I've completed the painting of the box and it is now ready for holding tissue. So in my craft space that I organized, if you didn't see my video on organizing your craft space, please go check it out. But I have a little container that's labeled small wooden pieces and objects. And so these are things that are left over from different projects that I've done. And as you can see here, I have a few of these wooden nozzles, and I think I'm going to use one of these to glue to the front of the box, and that will serve as a little handle. So here we go. So my friends, I am going to add one more feature. I don't know if you've seen my simplistic mailbox holder. I added some legs to that mail holder, and these were the plastic containers that I used. Now I think I will spray paint these or paint these black so they don't look so off, but yeah, I'm going to use these on the bottom of the tissue holder, and this is going to serve as a small stand. So I think this will work. I'll let you see the finished product when I'm done. I'm just going to put some hot glue on the bottom of this, and I'm going to glue it to the base of this box. Hey, my friends, so I did find a little more paint. I had some acrylic paint that I had stored that you all know I'm a painter. If you've seen my craft storage video, you know that I enjoy painting. And this doesn't have to be perfect, but I got enough paint to kind of cover everything. But mainly I wanted to cover the outside. So I got the outside covered, and I also have these cool little legs attached along with the little knob that I'm going to be using to raise and lower this thing. But I also found some cool letters that I would like to put on front. These were just letters that I had in my space, and I'm going to use these just to put on the front of the box. So we're going to do that momentarily. Okay, so here we have it, my friend. We took an ordinary shoe box, tennis shoe box, and we turned it into a cute little tissue box that we're going to store in the bathroom. And I think it's going to work perfectly in the bathroom that I've selected. The colors are going to match, and I think it's going to work fine. Once I get the tissues inside, then we'll get a good view of what it looks like. As you can see, the lid raises up and it lowers to cover the tissues that you'll store inside. So I think this works perfectly. So the bottom of the legs are hollow, and I felt like I needed to make a closure to go underneath the bottom of the legs. I have a simple piece of cardboard here, and I just took one of the cups and I made a circle, just trace the circle, and then I'm cutting it out and I'm going to glue it beneath the bottom of these legs so that it won't be hollow. So if you look under the bottom of the legs, you see they are hollow, and I want to cover that up. All right, my friends, so I'm about to wrap up the creation of this tissue box holder, and I've cut the circles that I want to go beneath these legs that I've put under the tissue box. I found some cardboard that had a white backing, so that'll be perfect to go underneath these hollow legs that I placed here, because they're only plastic, and they look good, but I just want to cover the bottom up. So all I'm going to do is just put a little glue around the edge of I probably should have put it around the edge of the actual leg, but we'll check that out as soon as I go under here and see what it's going to look like. So I'm going to lift it up, and right here is where I'm going to place that little makeshift cover for the leg. And I think it looks pretty cool. I like it so far. So it looks like that when I'm done. And I will do them all and get them all stuck to the actual bottom of each leg. So here we go. So now we have every leg on the tissue box covered. It looks pretty good. And we sit it down. It sits nicely. It moves the way it needs to move, and I like it. So now we're getting ready to put our tissue inside. So of course we're going to open our box, and we have the tissue right here, and it's ready to go inside. Yeah, looking great so far. So it looks like it will be able to hold 6 rolls of tissue. So that is a good thing, because you don't want to run out of the bathroom, forget that you don't have tissue in the bathroom, and everybody needs their little replacement of tissue. And this little shoe box works perfectly. We've decorated it, we've got it like we need it to be, and it looks pretty darn good. I like it. Oh man, this is really, really nice. It turned out better than I thought it would.
Oh, wow. Y'all ready to see the inside of the box? Oh, I like it. Oh, this looks great. All right, here we go. Doesn't that look amazing? So we're gonna take it and put it in the room that is intended, bathroom that it's intended to be in. It's a masculine bathroom, so I think the colors are perfect. So here we go. We're gonna take it right on up to the bathroom. Now this bathroom has more of a woodsy feel versus the bathroom decor in the other bathroom video. So here is the tissue box, and I think it fits perfectly in this toilet nook. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. It fits right into this space, and it is convenient and allows you to get your tissue as you need it. And when you lift up the box, there's the tissue, and when you get what you need, you just close the box. Isn't that great? I love it. Beautiful, to the point tissue box. Gotta make one, and it fits right in with the other decor. Thank you so much for watching, my friends, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.